Hello, this is John from Revit for Interior Designers, and we're launching our annual summer training session starting this coming week. Registration is now open on our website, www.revitforid.com. Now, this summer, we'll be producing a commercial office space provided to us by award-winning Chicago architecture and interior design firm, Box Studios. The class starts next week, Wednesday evening, and it runs weekly for 8 weeks from 8 to 10 p.m. All the classes are recorded, and recordings are provided with all attendees within 24 hours of each class. Please use the discount code at the bottom when registering for this class. Now, in addition, we are offering a buy one, get one free offer this year. If you take our summer course, feel free to choose any one of our existing classes currently on our website, and you'll get that class for free. So that'll give you a total of 16 hours for our summer course and potentially another 16 hours of training via any of these classes offered on the screen. Again, don't forget to use the discount code. We have a money-back guarantee, so if you're not completely satisfied with any of our courses, feel free to request a refund within 30 days of the course. No questions asked. My contact information is currently on the screen. If you have any questions whatsoever, feel free to reach out to me. Again, the deadline is this coming Tuesday at midnight to receive the discounts presented in this offer. Okay, see you this summer. Bye now.